Hey everyone, good morning. It's Trisha here. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, the 21st of July 2024. This is an update to my YouTube channel. I've been absent for a few months because I've been busy working on my home, renovating, and doing some other work as well. But I'm getting ready to return back to the channel and provide you with more content that will help you. As I've been offline, I've been thinking a lot about what can I do to really add value and help you in your online business to create passive income. And I've got a couple of ideas which I'll present to you. But more importantly, I'd love to hear from you and what you're doing. Leave a comment below and let me know. I'm expecting to be fully back online within the next few weeks. We've just sold our house after renovating it. We've bought another house. We're waiting for that to all be settled. And we have a quick renovation to do there and we're good to go. And that'll be it. For the ideas, one of the things I've been looking at, I've had a lot of questions about, is artificial intelligence and using AI writing tools to create content. So I'll be diving into that in a lot more detail. Let me know if that's of interest to you by writing a comment below. And the second one is SEO content. If you've already got an existing web page or a service-based business, how do you get your products to the top of Google and how do you get your services found by people who are looking for you? Anyway, lovely to see you all again. I haven't disappeared. I haven't forgotten about you. I'm still here, but I've just been going through a whole lot of personal life stuff that I've had to take care of, along with this terrible chest cold that I've got at the moment. Thanks a lot and have a great day.